So for your next activity, we're going to do a little bit of art, but just a little bit. If you remember, as we read the book, we looked at the beginning of every section when it would change speakers, and we would pay attention to the drawing of that person. Much like this picture on the front of the book, we see um, what we know isn't Augie, because those are very big ears on the cover, and we know Augie's ears are small, and they're a little bit lower than our ears are, so that makes sense. But he's got one blue eye, and we know that Augie had both of his eyes. Um, but everybody's picture had something left out of it. It was almost like they were trying to point something out in each of the narrators, but also relate them to Augie, so they also left something out. So today you're going to do your Wonder self-portrait. Well, this is easy because it's really just an outline. It's not going to be colored. Um, Let me show you. So to the right, you can see some students have done their self-portrait. So here's where they're different. The hairstyle is different. And they have done no facial features. I want you to choose what you want to do. Um, One eye. Maybe you have no eyes, but you draw the nose and the mouth. Maybe you draw the eyes and the nose, but you don't have a mouth. There's any number of possibilities there of features that you include or that you don't include, hairstyles that you include. I do want you to know this. When you're done, you're going to be cutting it out. So don't do something like, I really am concerned if you drew this one on the bottom left. I think it's fabulous. I don't know how you would cut out those individual strands of hair. If you are very good with scissors, then that may be exactly what you want to do. I'm not allowed to use scissors. I'm really terrible at cutting things out. I don't know why. It's just not what I'm good at. So I would not do that because I don't want to have to cut all that out. You know you. You know what you can do. So you're going to get a half sheet of paper, and you're going to pencil draw first, and then I'll have some black Sharpies for you to use to go over your features and your outline, and then you're going to cut it out. You may want to start, this is not anything. You may want to start with just a neck or drawing a face shape first. But it should take up, I mean, I want it to be about the size of the half sheet of paper. So if you're given a half sheet of paper, that's not what I want. I want a face that takes up the whole piece of paper. Okay? You can have a little bit of neck, um, whatever you want. But I want them all to be about the same size, so they should take up the whole piece of paper that you get, which is a half sheet of paper. Okay, so you've got between 20 and 30 minutes to do this, so you don't have to rush. But that means I expect a project that took 20 or 30 minutes. So if you're done in 5 and it looks like you're done in 5, you're going to get to do it again. And I don't have that much paper or patience, so please do it the right way. Okay? Okay. If you have any questions and you're not sitting in my class right now, email me because I'm on it. I will either come straight to you or I will give you the answer right back in your email. Okay? All right. Go get that done.